Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making the famous Texas chili recipe and yes, it is vegan. So let's get started. These are the ingredients we would need to make vegan chili. I have also listed them in description section as well. So let's get started. Heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and after a minute add 1 medium finely chopped onion to it. Now stir fry the onion till it turns translucent or golden brown. This process might take around 10 to 15 minutes over medium heat. Once you see the onion turning golden brown, add 1 finely chopped bell pepper. Give everything a mix. You can always choose to add more bell pepper if you like, and even different colors of bell pepper. Let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes over high heat or medium heat. Stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the pan or burn. After 3 minutes, add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves and give it a mix. We will cook the garlic cloves for about 1 minute over medium or high heat. After a minute, add 3 finely chopped red chilies and give it a mix. These chilies are really spicy, so again it depends on you the level of spice you want to add to this vegan chili. I usually make it really spicy, so that's why I'm using 3, but if you like you can only use 1. Now add 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3 teaspoons of red chili powder, yes you heard that right, and give everything a mix. Cook the spices for a minute over low heat so they don't burn. After a minute, add tomato paste. I'm using paste from 3 medium tomatoes and give it a mix. Let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes over medium heat or till you see the boil. Now add 150 grams of red beans and 200 grams of black beans. Give everything a mix. I had soaked these beans overnight and then boiled them before adding it to the mixture. You can also use canned beans. While mixing, I'm also mashing few beans and this will add thickness to the chili. So far we have not added any salt to the mixture. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt or salt as per taste and give everything a mix. I'm adding 1 cup of water. You can always choose the amount of water you're adding to the chili as per the consistency you need. Chili is something which you can make in so many different ways and you can always choose different vegetables while making it. Once you see it boiling and you feel the consistency is right, go ahead and add some chopped coriander or parsley. In my case, I'm using some spring onion greens and give everything a mix. This recipe is completely inspired from the vegan Texas chili, but it is also very much similar to Indian rajma. The spicy chili is ready. It's easy to make, so flavorful, and a perfect recipe for lunch or dinners. It is also my go-to recipe for winters as nothing can warm you up than a cup of chili. I have also listed some of the benefits of eating beans, so make sure to check them out as they are super healthy and it's really good to include them in your diet. I love a good spicy chili and I'm sure you will love it too. Do let me know in the comment section if you have tried a vegan chili before. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you're still looking for more vegan recipes, click right here. I'll be back with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.